Behind the cold front, we're expecting quite a bit of cloud as well as the possibility of rainfall along the east coast, with partly cloudy conditions over the northeastern part of the country, and then a fine and dry Sunday over the central parts with lots of sunshine in the forecast. It'll be a warm Sunday, particularly for the Western Cape, with isolated thundershowers forming over the far western part of South Africa. Now, the South African Weather Service have issued a warning for a high fire danger rating that extends through parts of the northern and western Cape in the shade of red, with favourable weather conditions for the spread and development of runaway fires. On our rainfall probability map for the day, you'll see up to a 40% chance of thundershowers and showers extending from Namibia through to the western part of the northern Cape, and then up to a 40% chance of rainfall along the east coast, but overall a dry day over the interior. Maximum temperatures will peak in the mid-20s for Gauteng as well as parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. 27 as we head into Mahikeng and Dar, 34 degrees for Uppington, 40 as we head into Vredendal and Cape Town at 32, with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s for Port Elizabeth, Bishu and East London, 27 for Richards Bay and George, topping 26 degrees. As we head out to the west coast, you'll see moderate beach conditions due to isolated thundershowers between Lambert's Bay and Alexander Bay, with a light offshore flow for Langebaan and good beach conditions there, with a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell and wave heights between 1 and 3 feet. Good beach conditions in the southwest, other than for Cape Agulhas, where we can expect a fresh easterly wind. Light winds are expected on the Cape Town Atlantic seaboard side, with a 2 metre southwesterly open ocean swell and waves breaking between 2 and 4 feet. Along the south coast, we're expecting an easterly flow with wind speeds of up to 35 kilometres per hour for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, with good beach conditions for Plettenberg Bay and Mossel Bay, with a sunny and warm day forecast here, with a 2.5 metres swell and wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. Along the east coast, we can expect quite a bit of cloud and rainfall for Durban and Richards Bay, as well as a fresh southwesterly wind, with a moderate southeasterly wind for the Wild Coast and East London. Good beach conditions there with a predominantly dry day, and along the east coast we'll see a 2.5 metre southeasterly swell with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Sunday.
You deserve to know more. eNCA.com